Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and special greetings to the new subscribers. This one is some of my friends' favorite meal. And speaking of friends, a big thank you to Ricky for shooting some of the video when my hands were full. I could not have done it without your help. Please have a little patience because the citrus part of the recipe comes at the end and it makes all the difference. For the batter, I'm using eggs, cream, flour, breadcrumbs, dry herbs, and grated cheese. And the salted and peppered chicken goes into the flour first, then in the eggs, and finally cover them with breadcrumbs. The reason for the flour is to make sure the chicken tenders stay moist. That part of the chicken is not very moist and it will dry out really quick once you cook it. But with this recipe, this chicken is gonna turn out really tender and moist. If you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so other people can find it on YouTube. I have made this recipe for about 20 years and friends and family always have seconds. Make sure to have the oil with a high smoke point like canola or sunflower heating already on medium-high heat. Then you can lower the temperature, because the oil has to be very hot and the chicken will cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Once breaded, I fry them until they are golden brown on both sides. So far it's all good. I have the water for the pasta heating as well. And I will leave a link to spaghetti aglio e olio that got really well with that chicken at the end of the video. Once fried, I will cover it with aluminum paper and we'll put it in a warm oven while I do the next step. I put the frying oil in a bowl and clean the pan because I'm gonna reuse it. Be very careful because that oil is very hot and the bowl is too, so you might wanna use a glass bowl instead. Clean the pan with a few paper towels and return it to the stovetop. Now mix the juice of a very juicy lemon or lime with a fruity white wine. That one has pear tones and goes really well with that chicken. The pan is on medium-high heat. Add the lime and white mixture, then the chicken, and allow the alcohol to evaporate for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not turn over the chicken. That's a trick to flavor the chicken without having to marinate it overnight. Hope you like the recipe. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the spaghetti aglio e olio on the right of the screen. Chaito!